Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Beautiful You. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying watching our videos. And today I thought I'd do something different for you when it comes to makeup. So far we've been showing you really elaborate looks with my friend the makeup artist, but I want to show you that to achieve a nice makeup look you do not need to be a makeup artist yourself. You do not need a makeup person. You do not need any fancy equipment or brushes or products. You can achieve a nice look yourself with your hands with just a few simple products in literally less than 5 minutes. So without much further ado, let's get started. Okay, so my skin is already prepped. It's cleansed, toned and moisturized. The next step would be to apply the primer. So here's my primer. And what I like to do is I just like to add some BB cream to it. So I mix my primer and my BB cream and I just apply that as the first step for my makeup. So for this you can use your fingers or your brush, whatever you feel comfortable with. I prefer using my fingers. So I love BB creams and you don't always need a full face of foundation, so they're just perfect. They're like tinted moisturizers. They're so light but then they still do such a great job, so which is why they're my favorite. The next step would be concealing. So I'm just going to take my concealer and I'll just put it in the places where it's actually required, like under the eyes and a few marks here and there. Again, for this also you can use your fingers or a brush, doesn't really matter. Just gently dab it in. These are the areas where you generally need it, under your eyes, around your mouth, somewhere near your cheeks where you've got some pigmentation marks. You don't really need to go all out. Just take my beauty blender and blend it a little bit. That's it. I don't think you need any more of the foundation and the concealer. The next step would be to set it with a loose powder. So put it under your eyes for sure because you want to set your concealer in, and you can let it just stay for a while till you finish your makeup, and then you can just brush off the excess. Okay, so next we'll go on with some light contouring. Contouring is all the rage right now. Again, you do not need it on a daily basis, but if you're feeling like it, why not? Contouring can be very overwhelming, but it's really not that tough. You just got to choose a few places on your face, namely below your cheekbones and on your forehead, under the hairline, on the sides of your nose, and that's it. You're all done. It's really, honestly, when it comes to contouring, less is more. So take very little product and start applying it as and where you need it. So these are the places where you need to generally contour. So just put in some product first and then go ahead and slowly blend it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same contour palette and I'll just use some of it to fill in my eyebrows. I don't really go in all out with my eyebrows. I just fill in the the little gaps, and actually it's more just to get it in place, just to do away with the extra foundation that might be stuck on it. So that's the whole idea here. Like I said, you don't need a whole range of products. Quite frankly, when it comes to makeup, there are a lot of things which you can just which are just so multifunctional, and you just got to know what you can use for multiple things. Next we'll go ahead and highlight. So it's the same palette which I've got my highlight also in. Highlight and contouring go in hand, so it's very easy to remember. Now you've put in the contour here, the highlight comes in here and on the bridge of your nose, on the cupid's bow and on your chin. Not tough to remember at all. I love my highlighter. I feel the more the better. Just going to use the same highlighter with my fingers under my brow. Okay, we're done with the highlighting and the contouring. Let's go with the blush next. So for the eyes, we're going to keep it very simple. We're just going to put lots and lots of mascara. No liner, no shadow, none of that. There we go, we're all done with the mascara. If you ask me, mascara is one of my favorite products. It just opens up your eyes and just makes them look so much bigger. I feel like if I have mascara, I don't need anything else on. So the last thing left is the lips. You can use any lipstick of your choice, depending on what you're wearing, where you're going. There you go, guys. This was my 5-minute makeup look. I'd literally just woken up before this, taken a shower, and now I'm all ready to just step out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, do write into us. Please show us some love, like, subscribe, share and comment, and keep watching Beautiful You for more.